why we forget mid-sentence, mid-action, or mid-thought, and how to get the thought back naturally. Have you ever stopped mid-sentence and suddenly thought, "What was I saying?" Or walked into a room and completely forgotten why you went there? You're not broken. This has a reason and a solution. What's actually happening? This experience is called momentary memory lapse or transient forgetting. It means the memory is still there, but your brain can't access it for a moment. Like a file on your phone. Not deleted, just temporarily out of reach. Why it happens? This usually occurs because of three main reasons. 1. Attention shift. Even a tiny distraction can break the flow of thought. 2. Working memory overload. Your mind is holding too many things at once. 3. Stress or anxiety. Stress hormones block smooth memory retrieval, especially while speaking or thinking fast. Why it feels sudden? Your brain remembers through context. When attention breaks, the context breaks, and the thought goes offline. That's why the same thought often returns later, effortlessly. So, don't panic. Don't force it. Don't judge yourself. Forcing memory actually pushes it further away. When the mind goes blank, don't chase the thought. In Indian wisdom, memory returns through body, breath, and calm awareness. You can come back by doing some simple tricks. 1. Inhale gently through the nose. Exhale longer than the inhale. A longer exhale tells the brain, "You are safe." When the body relaxes, memory access improves. 2. Gently rest the tongue on the roof of the mouth. Keep the jaw relaxed. This subtly quiets mental noise and steadies focus. 3. Feel your feet touching the ground. Press the toes lightly for 2 to 3 seconds. This pulls the mind out of confusion and back into the present moment. 4. Stop staring. Blink slowly or soften your gaze. Hard focus blocks memory. Soft focus restores flow. 5. Repeat the last sentence you remember, or mentally rewind one step. Memory follows threads, not force. Remember, memory returns when the mind rests. The body leads. The mind follows. This is not memory loss. It's a temporary access pause. It happens to everyone. More when tired, stressed, or multitasking. When your mind goes blank, don't push harder. Slow the body. The thought will return. Subscribe to Self Heal. Save this video for the next time your mind freezes.